The moment that I realized that enough was enough in my old job, I was in the law for 18 years, was when I realized that I had just been there for too long and I was bored with my job. I loved my business partners. I loved the people that I was working with, the staff, our team members, but I just realized I had been there for too long and I was bored with what I was doing and I didn't want to show up to a freaking office every single day. So I ended up traveling to Bali. I spent 6 days in silence. I ended up going to Russia because I had cancer. So what ended up happening was when I was in Russia, I made a decision. Blue pill, go back to my old job in California like nothing had changed, but literally be bored and let that stress and anxiety of boredom get back to me. Or red pill, stay in Russia, really learn decentralized finance, and make the change so that I could make passive income. And what did I do? I ended up staying in Russia, and it was during lockdown, but it was the best decision that I made. Even though I wasn't making as much money, I did what I wanted to do and I felt more free than ever. If you're looking to learn how you can also make passive income, DM me change. Let's see how we can change your mind and change your life.